We are going to learn how to use isometric drawing. The model shown in this figure is going to be drawn, and this model is having 110 millimeter length, 60 millimeter width, and 50 millimeter height as the base, and the lid size is 20 and 60. The thickness of the plank 5, and there is a opening here, semicircular opening here, and that radius is 50. The objective is to draw this open box. So type limits, enter lower left corner 0 and upper right corner A3 size accept. Go to snap settings and set the isometric snap. Snap setting, select isometric snap and set the of the snap spacing as 5. From 10 it must change to 5, because you can make grid on, save OK. So now you can draw a line selecting a grid point. Selecting a grid point. And use F5. Use F5 to toggle. F5 to toggle isometric left plane or right plane or top plane. So enter the value 110. Come down. Height is 50. Enter 110. The length. Enter. This side also 50. Enter. Use F5 to change the orientation, that is isometric top plane. 60. Enter. 110. Enter. And 60. Enter. Again go to line command, select the end point and 60. Enter. Use F5 to change the plane orientation, and this side is 50. So now zoom to one of the corner, select the grid on, OK, and select line command, select the corner grid, select the corner grid. Yes, the setting is already 5, the corner grid from the edge it will be 5. Go to the other corner grid, select and use F5 to change the plane. Select here, again use F5 to change the plane. Select and again come to the starting point. Select. This is the thickness of the plank. Thickness of the plank. Now select from this corner point, draw a line 45. Thickness is 5, so visible length will be 45. Enter. And again change. Enter. This extra length must be trimmed. Select, right click, so snap setting, draw a line from this point, snap on, and use F5 to change the plane. Enter. Again trim the projected portions of this line. cancel snap. So the base of the box is complete. Now we come to the lid side. Snap on. F5, 20, enter. F5, 60, enter. 20, enter. Enter. F5 to change the plane, and 110 length, enter. Select that point, F5, change the orientation, 20, complete, enter. So now this grid on, select line command, go to the corner grid, use F5, go to the next corner grid inside the rectangle, use F5 to reach the other corner, and select, and select, enter. The inner edge, visible edge must be completed. Select, use F5, 15, thickness is 5, so the lid thickness is 20, 20 minus 5 is 15, so 15 times, 15 times, line, select, 15, enter, enter, again enter, select this point, use F5, change the enter. So this projected portion must be trimmed. Select, right click, cancel snap, again trim command, select, right click. So the lid portion is completed. Now the circular opening, you have to go to ellipse, go to ellipse, select isocircle option I, enter, and center the circle, midpoint MID, enter, midpoint of this line. Change the orientation, this orientation, left isometric plane, radius 15, right, and draw a line from the intersection point, INT intersection point, select, use F5, draw a line, enter, again enter, intersection point, INT, select this point, draw a line, enter, then trim, select all, right click, this portion, remove. So now you have to again trim, again complete this portion. Copy this, right click, base point is midpoint of this line and the midpoint of next line, enter, again trim, enter, and visible portion you remove, that is this portion you have to remove, this portion also remove, okay, and this is invisible, that also you can remove, trim command, right click. So this line must be extended up to this, to extend command, select this boundary line and enter this. So this is the end of this exercise, and the suitable dimensioning you can do